Gallium has a melting point of about 30 degrees Celsius, so one of the most conventional ways to melt it is by putting it into warm water. However, that's a bit boring, so I'm going to try to use a microwave. That is one of the scariest ways I have ever melted gallium. 10 out of 10. Next, I thought it would be a good idea if I just put it outside. It is not hot enough outside to melt the gallium, but I figured the sun would just do the rest. And I was right. I came back after an hour, and it was melted. This method gets an 8 out of 10 because I didn't have to do anything. So I posted on Twitter asking for some ideas on how to melt the gallium, and this monster said I should use butter. I melted it in the microwave, and as I placed the gallium into it, I thought about what I'm doing with my life. Anyway, after like 5 minutes, the gallium did melt. And now I'm stuck with a container full of butter and gallium. Not sure why I did this. 6 out of 10. I had to build a fire to stay warm tonight, and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to melt some more gallium and get a cool time-lapse shot. I put some gallium into this thing I made for melting stuff in fires, and then headed back out to the campfire. I put the gallium over the fire and held it there. As I felt the hair on my arm burn, I saw the gallium start to melt. After a couple of minutes, it was fully melted. Building the fire was fun. 7 out of 10. I walked into Walmart and took this hairdryer off the shelf. When the employee asked me to put it back, I told him it was for a YouTube video. Then he apologized and said that he didn't realize I was chill like that. The hairdryer honestly took longer than I expected, and I messed up the close-up shot, so I'm gonna have to give this method a 3 out of 10. I've had this blowtorch for years, and I use it a lot, but it still hasn't run out of propane. The blowtorch is probably the quickest method, but I kept getting irrationally scared that the glass would explode and that I would die. 7 out of 10. I convinced my friend to let me melt gallium in his oven because I told him this video would make millions of dollars and that he can have some. The oven worked really well, but I wouldn't want gallium near where I eat. 5 out of 10. The body heat method is one of the most conventional of all, and recording this sucked ass. I held my hand still in front of the camera for 20 minutes. The gallium barely melted, and then my camera died. 0 out of 10. Lastly, Cody's lab told me I should shoot it, but I said I don't have enough for that, so he told me to try hitting it until the kinetic energy makes it melt. So I found this rock and started hitting the gallium. It broke into a few pieces, which was interesting, but after hitting it for about 5 minutes, I gave up. It didn't melt, but I got to hit something with a rock for 5 minutes. 9 out of 10. Anyway, thanks for watching, like the video, and please consider subscribing.